Hi, this is Nityam and I wanted to show you something. So this is a normal Discord server. Like any server, you have got people in here, but you have no idea who's a real person and who's a bot. So here's what we did. Go up to the server menu, you have a linked role section and you can see there's a role called verified human. Right now I don't have it, but let me get it. I click on it and it just shows me that there's just one requirement: human passed by billions. That's it, one thing. I click on it and Discord asks me if that is okay if I'm leaving. And now it asks me to do the authorization. Let me authorize it. And now it opens the Billions wallet right here in the browser. No app, nothing to download. I just sign in whatever method I need to use. You can use anything like Google, crypto wallet, even Apple ID as well. This is the actual part that matters. This is where it verifies that I am a living human, a real human, not a bot or not someone who's running 50 accounts. So I don't have any liveness credential right now. Just let me claim it. And it starts with the video selfie verification. Let's perform this as well. Yeah, and the video selfie was successful. I have already claimed the credential. Let it verify. The most important thing is that the server never sees anything personal about me. It just learns one thing, that I'm real and unique human, a living human. Now the verification is successful. Let me close this, come back to the Discord and see it's done. It's connected. Let me finish this as well. Yep, I have obtained this verified human linked role, and under my user profile you can see I have already got this role. That's the whole thing. A bot could never get past this face verification, which means everyone in this channel is a verified real unique human, and that's it. That's the product. Thank you.